Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today we have a Lenovo board for repair and the problem is it is not turning on. The complaint was it was not charging earlier. Okay, it's a dealer's board. The dealer has received the laptop and he opened it to check it out what is the problem. Later on he found that there is some corrosion nearby battery charging IC here. So he scratched it. He tried to see whether he can remove the moisture, but while doing that he blown the components. Okay, so now it is not at all turning on, neither charging. So today we are going to repair this board. It's a 10th generation C type laptop. Okay, so stay tuned, see how we are going to fix this laptop. So here is the board. First let me show you whether it is turning on or not. Since it's a C type connection, we don't have any cable from the DC. So here I'm using this one so that I can see whether anything is happening or not. Okay, it is connected with the adapter here. Now let's see what happens if we connect it. Okay, so it is connected. Now you can see the reading. It is taking 0.01 and it is again going back to 0. It should have been started, but anyway, here is the power button. Let's press it. Same thing, nothing is happening. Both the buttons I am pressing, nothing is happening. Okay, so this is the problem. Now let's switch to the microscope and check it out. Where is the problem? So here we have checked it physically. Everywhere everything is fine. You can see no sign of corrosion, any damage or anything anywhere, except at the charging IC, which is here. You can see here. So hopefully this is the problem. And if you see backside, if anything else, here also there is no sign of any damage or corrosion or any burning. Here we can see some mark over the IC, but we'll see it later. First we need to find out. It may be the glue, and there is no sign any other place. So now let's get back to charging IC area, which is here. If you look at carefully, it seems like there were two components nearby. Let me zoom it a little bit. Yeah, probably one component here, probably from here to here one component, and from here to here one component. But as you know, without having a schematic and board view, it would be very difficult to repair these kind of boards. So let's switch to the schematic and see whether we can trace out what was the component nearby, and then we will try to replace it. So here we have a schematic. It is a GS340 NMC 571. Okay, and here we have a board view, and the IC location number is PU13. So we will hit it PU13 here. PU13. Here it is. And I guess this component and this component, these two, it's a capacitor. Okay, PC means capacitor. If you look at the schematic, PC100. Let's find out here. PC100. Here it is somewhere. Okay, you can see it is connected with this and one more was there. What was that? PC91. PC91 must be somewhere here only. PC91. PC91. These two capacitors. These both the capacitors are damaged. Now let's replace this one and we'll be able to fix it hopefully. Let's see on the microscope. So let's put the charger and check out. I need to keep the see the light is glowing. Yeah, it has taken. It has gone to 19.6 and 0.63. Yeah, it is reading it. That means the problem has been solved. Hopefully, yes, processor also started heating. Let's pack it and check it out. So here we have packed the laptop. Now let's test it. It has taken 19.6. Now let's power on. Yeah, the power is on. It is taking the ampere. Display will come now. Yeah, you see, display has come.